Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the GE CYNC Smart Plug, one of the easiest ways to add smart home control to your devices. At just $14.99, it's affordable and requires zero complicated setup. Let's get started. First, let's unbox everything. You'll get the smart plug itself and a handy quick start guide. That's seriously it, no extra cables or adapters to worry about. The plug connects directly to your standard wall outlet, so setup is super straightforward. Next, grab your phone and head to the App Store or Google Play. Search for CYNC, that's CYNC, and download the official app. Create a quick account or log in if you already have one. This app is your command center for everything. Now plug the smart plug into any standard wall outlet near your device. Open the CYNC app, tap Add Device, and scan the QR code on the back of the plug. It takes about 30 seconds to connect. You'll see a confirmation when it's paired and ready to go. Here's where the magic happens. In the CYNC app settings, you can link your Alexa or Google Home account. Just a few taps and your smart plug is recognized by your voice assistant. Now you can say things like, "Alexa, turn off my lamp," so cool. The CYNC app makes scheduling super easy. You can set your coffee maker to turn on every morning at 7 a.m. or create automation routines that trigger when you leave home. The dashboard shows all your devices in one place, total control at your fingertips. Here are a few pro tips. The Bluetooth mesh technology means each plug strengthens your network. Place multiple plugs throughout your home for better coverage. If you ever lose connection, just unplug for 10 seconds and reinsert. The app also shows energy usage, so you can track what you're spending. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you get your CYNC plugs working, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home guides. Drop a comment below and tell us what devices you're automating first. Let's make your home smarter together.